Hey, Dustin here. I'm building manager at the Living Light Community Center. Today we're going to be talking about how to actually clean natural stone tiles. Now, stone floors are beautiful. There's a wide range of different stone floors that you can get into. One tip is you want to make sure that anytime you're working on cleaning these sorts of floors, you're testing it in a small area. Some stone's going to be more porous than other stone. Some stone might actually have some sort of a sealant finish on top of it that can react with whatever you're using to clean it. So be testing it in a small inconspicuous area before you go big on the whole floor. But let's check this out. All right, chances are you have natural stone floors because either you like more of a rustic look, more of a natural outdoor look, or you've been stuck with it and you haven't taken the opportunity to change it. Either way, it's something that you like. And so these are not going to be your shiny, high gloss, high polished floors. These are going to be much more natural looking. They're going to be a little bit more rugged. So maintaining them is actually going to be pretty simple. With a high gloss floor, you've got to buff, you've got to wax it, you've got to do all these different treatments. With this, you're going to pretty much sweep it, mop it, and occasionally spot clean it. You're going to be using a regular broom, dustpan sort of situation. Make sure you get all the dirt up. Then you're going to use a mop with a floor cleaner that's good for natural stone. Make sure you read the label on there. You're just going to run over it. Make sure you mop it up. You're going to get any sort of mud or any kind of buildup that might be accumulating on that stone. Get that off of there. If, for instance, you find that you have a spot, maybe it's just really accumulated, or you've got a spill, something that's soaked into it, you can kind of start out by using a soap solution, and a long-handled brush like this is really nice. It's going to save your back, keep you from getting down on your hands and knees quite as much. And then you're going to, if you need to, you can kind of step up the aggressiveness of the cleaning solution that you use to get in there over time. But in general, natural stone floors are going to be pretty easy to maintain because they're natural stone. They're made to be outside and handle the elements, so they're going to be okay for you to walk on them, and it's not going to take quite as much maintenance to keep them looking just like you want them to look. A couple things to keep in mind as you're doing this. Make sure that you've got your wet floor signs out there because this can be a slippery floor situation and people can get hurt, so make sure you mark it properly anytime you're working like this. Another thing to keep in mind is that natural stone floors, they have natural character to them, imperfections, inconsistencies in them. That's kind of part of the whole nature of it anyway. So remember that you're testing it in small areas, and also don't sweat the tiny little things. Some of that's just going to happen. You want to be working on those big areas. Make sure you get them nice and clean. And then that's it. Have a great time working on it. This is Dustin here at the Building Manager at the Community Center. Have a great day.